What's going on, everybody? It is Charlize Walker of Lisa's Business Enterprise here with another Make It Happen Monday credit tip. As you can see, I am on my homepage on my website because I want to show you something so important during this holiday season because 'tis the season to be jolly. I love this season, but I'm also aware that it's 'tis the season to be folly for cyber criminals because this is like their time where fraud actually happens a little bit more around the season because people are shopping, people are spending, and it's kind of hard to catch if you don't have credit monitoring. Okay. And I'll show you how credit monitoring can help you against fraud. So, one thing you'll want to do is when you go to my page, you go to the credit repair tab, you want to scroll all the way down to the bottom. And I'm going to show you why credit monitoring is going to help. I have on here My Score IQ credit monitoring. I don't know if you've seen the video that I did about when somebody took like stole it. It happened one time, but this one time, more than one time. But if it wasn't for credit monitoring, because they have the monitoring alerts and everything, I wouldn't have been able to catch it on the front end, like right then and at when it happened, to be able to call and say, "Hey, I didn't do this. Hey, whatever." And it come to find out it was a totally different address and everything. It was crazy. So someone tried to open up what they did. They got approved for a Chase credit card in my name. Like, wow, I'm glad I was able to be able to get approved for, but I didn't make that charge. So since I got the credit monitoring alert, when I got it, I was like, oh, I need to go make some phone calls. So that's what I did. So, but if it wasn't for this, I wouldn't be able to catch it because sometimes, most of the time when fraud happens, a lot of times weeks, days go by and you're like, wait a minute, I didn't make these. What? And especially with credit cards, somebody open up a credit card in your name and then for some reason 30, 60, 6 months, you're trying to get a house, you're trying to get something, and you're like, oh, somebody had a credit card for $2,000 and maxed it out and then some, and you didn't know about it. Wow, yeah. So that is on you. But with the credit monitoring, you can be able to stop these cyber criminals. You can stop them from, opening or even getting further into trying to run you into that. Apply for credit cards, apply for loans, because they do all types of stuff, or that they too to do. But this is one thing that will help you. So when you go to my page, scroll down and you see you can try it for just $1. You can try it for $1 and then $29.99 a month. I think this is regularly more, but so this is a great deal. $29.99 a month. You get you get the three FICO scores. Dark web monitoring, dark web and internet monitoring. That's important because again, a lot of people are shopping during the time. Fraud restoration. If something happens, they got lawyers and stuff on the team that will help you. So when you click on this button, excuse me, you will see everything I just said again, right? But if you scroll down a little, you'll see it a little bit more detail that they even have theft insurance on here for $29.99. That's not bad for $30 a month. Even if you just want it for the holiday season for the next three months or something like that, that'd be cool because not only do cyber criminals lurk during the holiday season, that means Thanksgiving, this Christmas season, holiday season, into New Year's and stuff like that. Kind of calm down after that, but they still do what they do. It's crazy because it's like, why don't you get a regular job, man? Gosh. But people are going to be people. So, but then you'll have this right here, a peace of mind. Fraud restoration, checking account report. People, they will do some crazy stuff. Like, my goodness. So all you do is you click enroll now, get started and everything. That'll help protect you against cyber criminals and protect you against fraud and everything. Okay?